Hello everyone, my name is Ngali Kananji. I am here today with you to describe about how dystrophism and exogenic forces forms the landscape of Mangochi district. The Mangochi district is the southern part of Malawi, whereby we will see different features that are formed by these two forces. So now I'll start with describing the dystrophism. Dystrophism are the internal forces that shapes the land surface. So these internal forces are forced by the tectonic force, and they include the folding, faulting, and the uplift forces. The example of Rift Valley, we have the Lake Malawi here in Mangochi district. So this Lake Malawi helps in different activities. It helps in fishing, transportation, and tourist attraction. So Mangochi lies at the southern end of Lake Malawi, which forms the major lift system. In conclusion of the internal forces, we have seen that these internal forces helps to form major lift systems and landforms. Endogenic processes, which are the external forces. These forces happens the outside Earth's crust, unlike the dystrophism, which is the internal force. In this endogenic process, we'll look at the erosion, transportation, and deposition. These processes, the three processes I have mentioned, they form beaches and shorelines. The beach are the sand side of the lake. So now we look at the erosion. When we talk about erosion, it's the removal of top layer soil. I have already explained that these external forces, they form erosion, transportation, and deposition. So here is one of the types of soil erosion, which is gully erosion. So this type of soil erosion, it removes the top layer soils and transport it to the rivers, lakes, which there it is deposited along the lakes and rivers. So where the soils and materials moved from these areas deposited, in such places there are formation of fertile soils. To conclude with these exogenic processes, we can see that these exogenic processes actively contribute and continuously modifies the landscape. As we have already seen that all these materials that are carried away by the erosion and transported by the movement of water and deposited to the designated area, they form fertile soils to the designated areas, whereby it helps people around such areas to do farming. Thank you so much for your time. That's all that I wanted to share with you about the contribution of exogenic and dystrophism to the landscape.